Welcome to Jerk Things.
Welcome guys, today we will be making some jerk ribs. Once you're done with cleaning your ribs, the next thing to do is to dry them off. So after we dry them off, the next thing will be to season them. Now it's time to add the dry rub. So we're going to add onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, thyme, and pimento seed. So right here, all you're doing is rubbing in that dry seasoning. So now I'm going to add the Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, and then I'm going to add a little bit of Boston Jerk spicy seasoning. So now all I'm doing is rubbing in the jerk seasoning. After we're done here, we're going to take it to the grill. So that's how it looks when we're done seasoning. And the next move now is to the grill. Right here you can see that I'm spraying the ribs with some liquid. It's just a mixture of apple cider vinegar, water, and jerk seasoning. I'm going to remove these ribs. I'm going to wrap them in foil, and then I'm going to put them back on the grill. But this time they're going to be over indirect heat. And now this is how the ribs look when they're done. So the next thing to do will be to cut them up. So now I'm slicing these up, and after I slice them up, I'll plate them. Now take a look at that. Look how juicy that looks. Nice and juicy. That's how you want your meat. Nice and juicy. Pause. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And make sure you hit that notification button.